How to enable aim assist in Bloodstrike. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are looking for a way to enable aim assist in Bloodstrike game, then here's how you do it. First of all, open up the Bloodstrike game and wait until you reach to the lobby screen. After you're inside the lobby page, go to the upper right corner and tap the gear icon. Once you're inside the gear page or the settings menu that appears on the screen, go ahead and tap on the advanced button from the top, and inside advanced, scroll down and click on the expert or beginner option right next to aim assist. If you want to turn off aim assist, select none, or if you are a beginner and want easier aiming, then you can select beginner, or if you are an expert and you want balanced aim for skilled players, you can select expert. So right after you do that, you can get back to the lobby page and start your game. Now your aim will feel smoother with better target tracking and easier fights. If the video was helpful to you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.